Welcome to Gray Matter Robotics. Presenting our latest project of Yaskawa robot integration for machine tending on a Palmary grinding machine and rack rolling machine for starter shaft components. Robot picks up the component from input-output station. Does loading, unloading on grinding machine, and then does loading, unloading on rack rolling machine. From design to the finest integration execution, Gray Matter Robotics is a one-stop solution provider for your turnkey automation projects, helping increase productivity and efficiency.